guys! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun Christmas lollipop DIY. Can you guess what it's made out of? It is so simple to make, lots of color options. This is such a fun DIY and you don't have to make it just for Christmas. This would be adorable for Valentine's Day, birthday parties, anywhere you want to add a little touch of fun with a candy theme. So for this DIY, you're going to need a splatter screen from Dollar Tree with a handle, about a 15 by 16 inch square of fabric, and some polyfill. First I took the polyfill and I just kind of spread it out over the splatter screen. It does not take very much of the polyfill, and I picked up this bag of polyfill at Walmart, and I picked up the fabric at Hobby Lobby. You will want to cut your fabric in a square, about a 15 inch by 16 inch square. Works great with the Dollar Tree splatter screen. It does not have to be cut perfect and in a straight line or anything like that. Now you could trace your splatter screen, leaving some extra room on the edges, and then hot glue it on, whatever works best for you. So I just flip my splatter screen over, and now I am going to hot glue the fabric onto the splatter screen. You might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part. When you get finished with your lollipop, you can cover the back of it with some felt. I just covered mine with red felt. And this right here came from a 10-inch roll of deco mesh. So save the cardboard that's inside your 10-inch roll of mesh for the stick of the lollipop. And we just took some ribbon and I just hot glued it on, and we wrapped the cardboard stick. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue, and we ended up gluing a little bit, then wrap a little more, glue a little bit, wrap a little more. Worked out best for us when wrapping the little cardboard stick. And then I added some Gorilla Glue hot glue to the splatter screen handle and pushed the stick on it, and then I filled the inside on the front and back with some Gorilla Glue and let it all have time to sit and dry. So far, what do you think of my splatter screen lollipop? I hope you like it. Next, I'm tying a bow, and I'm using 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire and 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire for this bow. Once you get the bow shaped like you want, I took a piece of 20 gauge floral wire and I just went to the back of the bow, threaded the wire underneath the zip tie, and then I took the wire and went to the top of the lollipop stick, just twisted the wires around the stick, went to the back, gave those wires a few twists and cut them off short and folded them down. Before you cover the back of your lollipop with felt, go to the top and take a piece of wire, thread it through the top, through the material, through the splatter screen, twist the wire and make a loop, then cover the back of your splatter screen with some felt, whatever color that works well with your fabric. I have lots of splatter screen wreath tutorials on my YouTube channel. They're one of my favorite things to make. I will link my splatter screen wreath tutorial playlist in the description box below for you, just in case you would like to check those out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching.